In this video, I'll show you how to connect your forms to Brevo. Now guys, unfortunately, I can only speak for the Brevo side of things because I don't know what host you are using specifically, but here's how you'll get it set up. So what you want to do is go to the top right, which would have your name, and you just want to click on that drop down, and you want to click on settings, then on the left hand side, SMTP and API, then API keys and MCP. Now you'll see I don't have any API keys set up here. If you do have keys already, you'll need to use the generate a new API key on the right. Now we just need to give our API key a name and generate. Next up, we need to copy our API key because they will not show it to us again. So save it somewhere you'll remember. Then you do have the option to create MCP server API keys, which again you'll need to copy and save. When you're done, just hit OK. And you'll use this key when you need to integrate your forms into whatever host. Again, you're going to have to get specific to check how exactly to do that on your host side. What will usually be the case is you can see right over here you have curl, Ruby, PHP, and it basically shows you how to match it up. So in the name section of your host or your form platform, whatever it is, this is how you'll match it up: name to name, subject to subject, and sender to sender, so forth. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.